RCB, Krunal, Punjab. Krunal, Punjab. Rock your good team.
What was really more harder for you? Was it writing the book or publishing it and putting it out there? So, hello guys, and welcome back to, well, this is, I would say, the very first ever podcast, अगर आप कोई बोलते हो ना, तो जो मैं कर रही हूँ आज, और it is an honor and a privilege to be doing it with this one particular person, whom I would say is the bestest friend and the most wonderful human being one can ever have known in their life. जो एक इंसान ऐसा है जो किसी की ज़िंदगी संवार सकता है, जो एक किसी की मदद ऐसे कर सकता है, जो इंसान उठ जाए, मतलब ज़िंदगी में इतना आगे बढ़ जाए, जो किसी को मदद करने वाला एक इंसान जैसा हो. Fantastic human being. I would say she is multi-talented in so many ways. I would say in terms of designing, in terms of having so many gifted powers, I would say that I have come across some amazing things which I've come to learn from her so much. Apart from all of that, she has now come to be an author and written some wonderful books. Here I would just like to immediately, first and foremost, introduce you to Dr. Anupama Katyayani Sharma. Hey, what's up?
Hi, all good.
All good?
Yeah.
So Kats, I call her Kats because she's Dr. Anupama Katyayani Sharma. So for me, I just call her Kats. Kats is the way to go. And that's for me only, by the way, guys. This is my friend, Buddy. So that's a name given to her by me. So that's Kats for you. Kats, very nice on this podcast. And thank you for being my first
Yeah, my
guest.
honor too.
And very welcome. Very welcome. So tell me, apart from the fact that you are a wonderful designer, are you hailing all the way back from Jammu and Kashmir back in those days? After that, you have got very good powers, and you are in a lot of grounded touch with your paranormal powers as well, I would say.
Yeah.
And now, coming to be an author, you have written so much about your lifetime, your lifespan adventures, the realities of your life. Tell me one thing. My first question to you, Katz, is what made you finally say, okay, I am going to write this book. I'm going to publish the books. What made you think that? What gave you the idea? What prompted you?
It was never an idea. It was always I wanted to be an author actually.
Yeah.
And whenever it's my habit that I buy book every time I'm traveling. Because
That I know.
Yeah, you
You
know
always
it, because
do.
I buy the book and I have to write because it becomes like a chronology.
Absolutely.
I keep writing my name and from where I've taken the date and the year.
Yeah.
So I don't know.
And I always thought actually that whenever we have gone to shops, she's always buying books. और books लेने के बाद वो जहाँ पे भी वो जब भी book लेती है ना, उसका first page पे she will always write where she has bought the book from, what time, place, date, everything. It is brilliant. Even if she gives a book to anybody, she will always make sure that she writes the date and the time and the place where she has purchased the book from. That is something that I have learned from her, and it's a wonderful thing because that keeps the thing in your mind. So yeah, that is a wonderful thing.
So I've always been wanting me to be in those, like the bookshelf and my face staring from
Yes.
there. So yeah, so it has always been there, and I've been like scribbling in my diaries and in papers, and I write poems, I write prose, but I never bothered. I'll just write it, it'll just fly off. I think somebody else might have used it also. But yes, I always was wanting to be an author. I wanted to be a literary person basically. And coming to, as you said, many things, I started my career first as an interior designer back in Jammu. Okay, so as I was saying, I started my career as interior designer
Right.
back in 1997.
Right.
And I'm not going to elaborate on that, but since I have been having onto a lot of journey, I traveled from Kashmir to Lucknow to Goa. Now that's for another time altogether when we
Absolutely.
talk about it. And so yeah, as a child, I always thought, whenever I used to go to some places and I would see these people slogging every day, and I used to think, and I used to ask actually, don't you get bored coming here every day?
Absolutely.
So I always used to say to my friends that you look, when I grow up, I'm going to have resignations in my pocket. I'll just do 6 months a job here and then resign and then do a 6 months of this and
Sure.
resign. So it was always okay, keep trying something new
Yeah.
till it interests you and
Definitely.
keep going. And I love learning.
Absolutely.
I love learning.
You love learning, and you have always been a learner, and you have learned so much over the years. I know for a fact that
My
she
books-
has really learned always. Whenever I have been around, she's done nothing but just learn,
Right.
and always write and learn. Of course, absolutely. So it's been a fantastic journey learning with you.
Yeah.
So it's been fantastic. So tell me one thing. What was really more harder for you? Was it writing the book or publishing it and putting it out there?
Initially, I was procrastinating on my book.
Mm-hmm.
So I was just thinking from where to start, what to do.
Right.
And because for all these years,
Yeah.
I've been only having the name of the books in my head.
Right.
Okay, this is the cover page, this is the book. This is the cover page, this is the name of the book.
And you love designing also.
I love design.
They smile, they charm, they pretend to love you. Behind closed doors, the mask slips. What the world saw was a perfect man. What I lived with was something far more dangerous. A narcissist doesn't break you in a moment. They erase you piece by piece. This isn't just a story. It's the truth he never wanted you to hear. Beneath the guise, you think anyone will believe you. I built the perfect mask, and you're trapped behind it. Smile for them. Be grateful. No one sees what happens when the door closes. I didn't break you overnight. I erased you slowly, until even you forgot who you were. To the world, I'm perfect. To you, I'm the nightmare you...
Now also learning AI. Finally.
Yes, and getting very good at it. And she's what it is about her, what I have seen all these years, in the last 18, 19 years of our friendship, is whatever she learns, she becomes a pro at it.
And one thing I would like to correct, she keeps on calling my bestest friend, but now I would say after all these years, we are no longer, like a friends, we are family. I always...
They do say कि
Yes.
Instagram में भी कोई reels मैंने ऐसी देखी है that the friendship that lasts for more than 7 years practically actually becomes a family.
100%.
It's so true, and it's wonderful to have this family, and I'm very proud.
And all that I can say is everything is preordained in life. So we just go by the flow. Rest is all in God's hand. Whatever He wants, we just go by it. We can't do anything about it.
Absolutely.
So
Did
it
you
is-
tell me one thing? Tell me one thing. Did you ever doubt yourself in the process of writing the book whether मैं कर पाऊंगी, मैं नहीं कर
No,
पाऊंगी?
no.
You're always very confident.
No, yes.
Always
I
confident.
was just procrastinating, as I said, for always. Oh my God, just like the excitement to go ahead was always keeping me
तो
back.
जिस तरह मैंने आपको हमेशा लिखते हुए देखा है,
Yeah, I keep
it's not been an easy thing, yeah. It's been very difficult.
Yeah.
Writing, thinking, writing. I mean, how difficult is it that sometimes people out there, they don't realize how difficult is it to be an author?
Actually, it's not difficult. You just be yourself, just write whatever you see. The thing is that if you are going on like fictions. More, for me, it's more of a memoir, and I have been traveling so extensively throughout India, meeting so many people, as my dad was in the paramilitary, and going across and meeting so many, knowing so many stories, observing cultures, observing people, knowing them so near, and more so ever. Even my the psychology which I have done has also made me actually go into people's mind, which I really love. I really love getting to know. So all of these things put together makes you into a better what do you call, an observant of life, and it's
Very
easier
true.
to write.
That you are.
Yeah. So nothing is fictitious, which I am writing a very fictitious one, but as it is again, when I'm writing my memoir, you will know by all these chronological books which I'm writing, it's basically just a superfluous little bit, which ultimately is going to be in one saga.
Are written with ink. But some stories are written with survival. The world tried to silence her, break her, erase her. But they forgot one thing. The most dangerous thing in the world is a woman who survived everything. One woman. One fight. One story. They tried to break her. They only made her unstoppable. She survived what was meant to
The best part about Anupama right now is that her books are on Amazon, guys. They are on Amazon.in, they are on Amazon.com, they are also on Amazon.co.uk.
Flipkart.
So, guys, Kaya, how do you feel seeing your book on Amazon for the first time? How did you feel?
I was just blank. I just didn't know how to react. I just didn't react. I was like, okay. It's
Wait.
still not gotten.
It's
It's not
she,
gotten.
the best part about it is that Anupama did it all by herself.
Yeah,
The best part was that she actually went and put her own book onto Amazon without any PR agency, without any marketing agency, without any publishing. I mean, it's so commendable how professional a person and how genius a person can be, that she went and did the whole thing by herself, and now it is out there. People are buying her books and really, really appreciating. It is fantastic.
And it's a
Now-
must-read book.
Yeah, brilliant. So tell me a little bit more about these books that you put out there. What are they? Just a little synopsis. People would be very happy to know.
The first one which I actually put up on the Kindle, which was behind
The
the
e-books,
runway,
right?
the ebook
E-books,
basically. That
But you
is
can buy
also
them on
available in the
paperback.
paperback now.
Of course.
But the first one which I self-published,
Hmm.
because I was looking everywhere and I didn't know, and I did go to a publisher which basically they did they betrayed me. They took my money and didn't publish my book.
that happens. The publishers के साथ
Yeah,
ये
I don't want
थोड़ा-
to take the name of that
No, of
press,
course.
but then it's okay. So then I was just thinking, now what should I do? So one day I just thought, okay, now let me just figure it out myself. So I did that, and again, behind the runway is somewhere again.
Behind the Runway is the name of
It's
the book.
behind the runway. Now the runway is not the airport runway. It is always the ramp on the fashion field is called a runway. So it's not a fashion book. It's about a little bit of a woman who like fought and she was alone and how she struggled with all
Struggles
these
of a
people.
woman.
Basically, it's both of my books. More of my books will be all woman centric.
Wow.
So yeah, so
Wow.
I think so. Whoever reads it, probably every woman will somewhere or the other relate themselves to it. So
Brilliant.
and for Beneath the Guise, which is there is much more of what a woman goes through when she gets married, and it's like, as I said, it's all women in drink and a survival of women.
So that is how you relate to the character in your book, as the main character in the book, or you're writing regarding observing somebody, or how would you characterize yourself in the book? How?
The main protagonist will always be
Person writing
the
it.
person writing it. So as a third party, as I say, as Anna, I always will be using the name Anna in all my books, apart from Heartbeat Chronicles, because it's a past life book which I am writing now, which is almost going to be coming next month. So apart from that, yes.
Wow. So tell me one thing.
Yeah.
I have known you for 18 years, right? Did you ever imagine this particular version of yourself back then or before then? How has this
I
come
would-
along?
No, not exactly. Everything has its own time and place. I think the dream was always there.
The dream was always there.
The dream was always there. I don't let my dreams die. I work for it. I fall down, I get up, I again fall, I get up. I seek help, I don't get. I ask, it doesn't happen. Then I say, it's okay. Let me do it. Maybe God wants me to.
Self-made,
It's like one man army.
self-independent. One
It's
man
one
army.
man
But it's
army.
always very important to be self-made in life, that you never depend on anybody. Bhagwan na kare. But tell me one thing. What or who has influenced your writing to bring you to this point where you actually wrote and published? Where did you get this influence from?
I need myself.
I meet myself. On
I
that
have
note,
lived
year 6 साल
many
मारा.
lives and one life and still on. I'm sure there are many other things coming on, but yes. And before I forget, I'm just doing up a coffee table book, Healing Homes with Anupama, that you must take because it will be going to be a good coffee table book.
Fantastic.
Yeah.
Can't wait for that one.
Yeah, that's on.
Oh wow, that is absolutely fantastic. How's the coffee, by the way? I think जो मेरे podcast
Good.
पे आकर हम सबको कॉफी में पिलाते हैं, तो कॉफी अच्छी है ना?
Very nice.
वेरी गुड, चलो अच्छी बात है. तो ऑथर तो आप बन गए हो, बुक आपकी बिक रही है, अमेजोन पे है, वेबसाइट आपकी बन गई है www.bookspellspublishing.com. उसके ऊपर भी आपको मिलेगी बुक. अभी हम लोग लिंक में, बायो में सब जगह वो सब देने वाले हैं डिटेल्स आपको. और डिजाइनर, आर्किटेक्ट्स, थोड़ा आप इनके बारे में भी हमको बताइए. आप क्या क्या हो? राइटिंग तो आपने करनी है, डिजाइनर आप हो, साथ साथ आप हीलर भी हो.
I'm a clinical psychologist.
Wow.
Yeah,
I mean,
do
how?
transpersonal
Tell me one
regression.
thing. Tell me one thing. Be honest. How famous are you planning to get so I can prepare myself?
It's not about fame or anything. It's just my own challenges. And I have to tell you this thing when I was, I think, 8-year-old or something.
Huh?
No, not even 8. I was lesser than that. And there was an astrologer who had come at a place. I don't know how children are playing. They're basically not sitting with the parents or something. But that astrologist told my parents that this girl is not going to study.
Oh.
And you will get her married by, like she will get married early by like 16 or something.
अच्छा.
And which eventually happened. There was nothing much. I got married at 18. But nevertheless.
Right.
So I somehow that words got into my head and I love studies. Since then, I just
No, but I
wanted
have
to
known you a
prove.
very, very studious girl. You're very...
No, I wanted to prove that astrologer wrong.
Ooh, that's a challenge.
So that made me till if you see me, my bag will be having a diary and a pen. I cannot move without my pen and a diary.
Let me cut you there. पेन हमेशा मैंने उनके बैक डायरी में तो हमेशा लोग देखते हैं, लेकिन वो जब ऐसे ऐसे करके अपने बाल ऐसे करके डालते हैं तो यहाँ पे भी पेन होंगी उसकी.
I cannot sleep with books around me. They have to be around, on my side table always. So I think I will thank that astrologer, whoever it was, who said that
Blessing
this
in
girl will
disguise.
not study.
Yes,
I have just
absolutely.
not left my books.
वाओ.
Yeah.
आपने किन किन के घर डिजाइन किए हैं लाइफ में, और क्या क्या डिजाइनिंग किया आपने अभी तक? मतलब
I've been
You've done some
designing-
wonderful jobs.
Yeah, I've done a lot. I've done commercially, I've done residentials. I will not name the people because they may not like it. But yeah, celebrities, yes.
yes.
Ministers, yes. Back when my first designing came back in Jammu, I did it for the CM then. I did the guest houses.
Wow.
So yeah, it was back then in 90s, like 97. Yeah, 98. Full-time militancy was on. And
in
I
Jammu
was-
Kashmir.
yeah,
Right,
so
right.
yeah, I did. So even in Jammu, all the residential, I didn't do much commercial back then, but yeah, I did a lot of residentials there at the time. Then I left. There was a gap, and then I completely went into spirituality. Completely. Then I went into that field, means I just went in.
हाँ.
I dived into the fact that Oh my God, there are so many stories along with it. But I'm just saying.
आगे
So
आगे
whatever
बढ़ेंगे.
I do, I make sure it is A to Z. And my A never comes because I'm a very fast learner. I'm not boasting. I'm not going in that way. But yes, I learn fast because I have to learn. It's like
It's just you.
It's-
She
it's
has to
me,
do it.
actually, it's me.
The drive is very strong. And when she starts
It's
something,
me.
it has to
Yeah,
go.
it has to go.
But I ask you one thing. What is more dramatic? Your real life or your real life?
my real life.
In what
Definitely.
ways?
It is. It itself is a story. It
See,
itself is
coming
a,
to so much of talent, so much of talent, dramas are bound to be in life, of course.
I was
and-
I was my own heroine.
Yes,
I was my own protagonist. I was my own character. Like even if I'm just driving, I love driving. Even I would drive, I just think, oh my God, this is. It's like the whole world is around me. You know, it's
Absolutely.
like so. Yeah.
fantastic, fantastic, fantastic. Tell me one thing. Where has been the weirdest place where you have ever gotten the idea for writing or to write? I mean, what made you think, okay, I want to particularly write about this? The weirdest place where you-
When I was not able to speak myself to anybody or make them understand.
So you started off writing as a diary, personal diary,
Yeah.
and then have it, or your
I
feelings
have,
started
I
coming
have
out.
like written diaries and burned them, but there was certain times when I was not able to speak up, and I said, "Ki no, this should be written. Whether anybody reads it, doesn't read it, I've done it for my own
But
satisfaction.
people are
But I
reading
have
it,
to
and
read
people are
it.
so much enjoying
Yeah,
that it's become a wow.
yeah.
Fantastic, yeah, fantastic. If you have to describe your book in 3 emojis, what would they be? Tell me.
All three would probably it'll be just a women. I mean, like
Emojis.
emojis. Yeah.
If I had to, one would be a big smiling face. One would be like वो जो ऐसे वाला जो ऐसे.
I honestly tell
Curious.
you, I have got stories of others.
And one would be-
my
Because
own, and others. There are actually very sad stories. And
But I want-
I'm trying my level best to give hope and light and write something which gives hope. But then again, isn't it kind of a lie? Because wherever you hear the stories of the sadness of the people and their melancholy and things like that, it's world has gone very dark. World is dark.
But then it also depends upon one's an individual how you want to make your world beautiful.
No. That's a separate issue. When you're talking about writing, and obviously, you would observe, you would write. Let me just take
But
it.
you're the
let
kind
me
of
just
person who
take it.
observes the good and the bad both.
That is a separate issue. But when you want to write, I mean, I haven't come across a single person who, like, if maybe if I write a romance, that is another thing. I can write fictitious romances a lot. I could just, write by the dozen in a month. That's not a problem. But I'm just talking of the real stories of the real women and the real what they go through and what challenges they face. Whether it is with their spouse or with the children or with her own self, struggling for her own self,
Yeah.
struggling for her own identity. So that doesn't come with hope. There are many women who give up. Yeah, the hope comes when you have survived it out. And then you laugh and say, yeah, I made it. But many other don't. That's what I'm saying.
Right. Now that is something I have understood.
Yeah.
Very important. Fantastic. Tell me one thing. आपने कभी अपने आप को कभी गूगल किया है?
No.
Have you ever googled yourself? You've not googled yourself?
No.
A lot would come up if you did google yourself. Do you know that?
I don't know. I haven't done it.
You should. A lot of people should. Dr. Anupama Katyayani.
I don't know.
How would you describe yourself as a person? Come on, tell me.
Just a simple girl.
Simple.
Very simple girl.
True. I would probably describe her in the same way because she's actually very simple yet very charming. Wonderful, wonderful human being, a wonderful mother.
People take me wrong, but I just
That
leave
I
it to
think
them.
is on everybody's journey.
Just to leave it to them. They can take a walk for what I get.
So what next? What is next for you?
Hmm.
Writing more books, getting
That
into
is-
movies,
No, that
world
is
domination.
one movie I have to do. That is my that is that is my dream. One movie I have to do come one May. I don't know how it's
और
going to
कैरेक्टर
happen.
क्या प्ले करना है आपको वो मूवी में?
I don't know. Again, as I
आपके
said,
खुद की बुक के ऊपर मूवी होगी या कैसे होगी? What?
that I don't know. That I don't know. I can play. I did get many offer many a times.
Sure.
Yeah, I've got it, but somehow I just didn't have the courage. That's the only thing. Now that is a challenge actually because
Drive.
I don't think so. I can act. So even I have run away from an acting class. I had gone, and whenever they came, okay, you have to come and just enact, I would miss that class. So I think that is one challenge I've left it. So I don't know if I can do it or not. And in fact, in one of those, those what do you call it? NFDC party.
Yeah.
I was just
जो
telling somebody.
इर्फी में जो आता
हाँ,
है,
हाँ,
yeah, of
the
course,
same.
International Film Festival of India.
So I was just telling a couple of my friends from the industry. I said one thing I can. I said I can. If you want me, I can direct. I can write. I can screenplay. I can do everything. But I can't act. And suddenly there was somebody from the back. It just comes. Why can't you act? You're just acting right now. He just said it, and I said, yeah, maybe you're right, but he actually called me. He said, just come over and we'll make sure that we get this thing out of you because I do have a stage fear.
You have it. Tell me
But again, but once I'm on stage, I go blank. I completely go blank. But once I start speaking, then nobody can take me on the stage. So that's the first few moments probably.
Tell me one thing.
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit about your background. Where you come from? Tell me a little bit about your family. Tell me a little bit about your parents.
Well, I come from a very much family of soldiers. My entire family, like my uncle was in the army, another uncle he was in the air force, my eldest one was in the civil police, my dad being in a paramilitary. So I come from the defense forces. Then my brother, my cousin, they were all in the army. So yeah, and I'm a defense kid.
Papa was a DIG.
Yeah, and he retired as well.
Retired as a DIG. Wow, fantastic.
And my dad was very brave. One book of his also is coming.
So there's a book coming on that also. So guys,
My
look out.
father, my hero.
My father, my hero. Of course, fantastic. That is the way it should be. Every father is every daughter's hero, but this father is a hero in himself, who has actually taken a bullet and kept it in his leg for
Yeah,
how
he's
many,
got
so
two
many years. And, he's-
Double PPMG. Taken
Wow.
medals by the president.
and was gallantry,
President Gillard.
President gallantry by President Shankar Dayal Sharma, right?
Yeah, one by him and one by at the time. Jahan.
Fantastic, lovely person, lovely human being, fantastic family. Tell me one thing, when did you first realize you had this intuitive or a spiritual side to you?
That actually came with a tragedy. I wouldn't like to speak right
Chalo,
now. I did
no.
not have a spiritual side, but it just happened.
Can I, is it fair to say paranormal side?
I'm not a ghost.
No.
Big side. But yeah, I did, again, as I said, if I get into it, I do get into it.
That one podcast we will have it on a separate note.
Yeah. That is
कि
a very,
उनका
that is
क्या
a,
क्या लाइफ के experiences हम लोगों ने जो साथ में देखे
she's
या
also seen it.
I have definitely seen it. Been together for 18 years, so definitely मैंने भी देखा है, माना है, समझा है और स्वीकारा भी है कि ये चीज़ है. तो वो एक पॉडकास्ट हम लोग अलग से करेंगे जो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है, क्योंकि it's going to be a little bit of a, I would not say scary but very interesting.
There's nothing to be scared.
No, definitely not. But tell me one thing, कि ये जो आपका गिफ्ट है, जो है तो है, आपका जो गिफ्ट है, paranormally जो, do you think that your gift influence the way you see people?
calm.
What does being a healer mean to you personally in terms of how do you
So
feel?
I'm not good healer. It's always, we are always channels. Whenever we are healing people, we are just a vessel, and basically it's the gods. It's just God. But I have stopped that actually. Healing psychically, I have stopped because I went into a lot of trouble because of that.
But you're a fantastic healer.
Yeah, I
तो
am.
whoever has come to
So
you,
now,
जितने सालों में मैंने
yes,
देखा है.
yes. Do you remember that lady who had come on crutches and she just went walking?
Actually, I do.
Yeah.
So from what I've seen when you
Yeah.
used to have that clinic and all,
Yeah.
you're so good at what you do that so many people have benefited from you.
Yeah.
So I personally feel that you should continue.
Yeah, actually, this was very funny side because when I had my clinic, I would get those people. I had a very beautiful clinic, remember? That people will come. I have had all these people like coming from the industry, film industry a lot.
Yes,
Then
yes, yes.
industrialists, then psychiatrists themselves.
Yes,
Goa
yes,
themselves.
yes, yes,
They had
yes,
got the
yes.
children. They themselves have come. So a lot of people I used to get that, but whenever I still remember when they will sit and when they had to give, they would cry and I would be sitting, and I'll think, oh my God, I can't charge them for their tears. So I used to feel very and I used to just
Softy.
call up at my reception, don't charge this person, don't charge this person. So she would come and say, "Okay, how are you going to run this whole thing if you're not going to charge anybody?" So then I used to just tell God to give me some other, like a profession where I can earn and do this work as a charity. But now, coming to think of it, and after learning a lot and going to the healers, healers also need healing the most.
They do.
They said, "Nah, okay, no."
So that was my next
You-
question for you.
Yeah,
Sorry,
so you have to take the money because it is an energy exchange. You're giving your time, you're giving your energy. So you also, as money is an energy, so you also have to take the energy back in the form of money. So probably when I start next, I would try to take, I don't know.
How do you protect yourself in terms of how do you protect your energy while being so sensitive to others? So how did you protect yourself in terms of, did you keep some sort of whenever you are doing healing or anything, you kept some salt in your hand or
No,
some
I
sort of a
don't- I
stone?
think, no, I wasn't doing anything properly. That was also a little bit of wrong on my side because I completely had
ठीक है, वो
surrendered
protection
to
बहुत-
God.
हाँ,
Yeah, yeah.
नहीं, but वो protection बहुत जरूरी भी होता
Yeah,
है
which
ना.
I wasn't doing, and for that I got into a lot of trouble.
Trouble.
I got into a lot of trouble. And then I took a hibernation of like 3-4 years thinking, ki, what happened? What is it? Should I be getting into somebody else's karma by healing the person? Because as I said, there's a lot to talk about.
It is a very deep thing.
It's
Again,
very
we can do a
deep.
podcast
Yeah,
on that
so
also.
I was just like, we're healing a person. It's like a doctor performing a surgery. Fine, there because it's physical, right? But when we are healing the emotional body of the person. So, is it right to get into somebody else's karma? Was he or she supposed to go through this because of the past karma? And we are entering and trying to heal. So, all of these questions, like I was getting the answer when I took a lot of, took a lot of what? I like 4 or 5 years of hibernation I took. When finally I decided, okay, I will not do the healings, energy healing, but I'll clinically, what do you call it?
Heal.
Heal
मतलब
people.
help people. right?
Clinically help people, like and through hypnosis, through regression, through EFT.
Yes.
A lot of like that, which doesn't
Your
require
EFT and your
yeah.
regressions are very good.
Yeah,
Very
past
helpful.
life regression is very good.
I've
Yeah.
personally done it and I have experienced it. It's very good. Though that obviously can be done in another podcast, but definitely anybody who does want to get any regressions or any healings or anything done, definitely do contact Dr. Anupama Katyayani. So yeah, she's fantastic. But what is something about you that people really generally misunderstand? Which a lot of people do. I feel.
Probably, like if I say I'm a simple person, probably you'll say, oh, what is she talking about? They must. I'm a vegetarian, but most of the people, oh, you vegetarian? You don't look vegetarian. Now, how do you carry a placard? I'm a vegetarian. Do vegetarians have different faces? No, but they look, oh, no, you don't look vegetarian. You look, oh, no, you don't. Very strange. How can you just look at a person and say whether this person is vegetarian or non-vegetarian? or a complete. For me, my personality, everybody feels is a whatever the thing is like contradictory. They feel she's others. I'm not. This I'm not. Sorry. I'm a simple,
So basically,
kind girl.
very simple, kind, very homely rather.
very
Anybody
homely.
would feel that she's way out there, but I
No,
tell you,
I'm
Anupama,
not.
from what I know,
I'm not. I'm not.
very, very homely, very simple, a very simple living person. It's very true. Yet very kind, very sober. Masti hai, but
That
yet
everybody
very
should have,
serious
otherwise
also,
what do you have?
very, very mature. Definitely.
I'm naughty. No, naughty. Not
Naughty,
because
but naughty in a very,
but in
very...
a prank. I could just what probably pull a chair and you may fall. If
Yeah,
this is
I've
called,
been through a lot of that.
If this could or put the chili in your food.
Yeah.
That kind of a naughty, but not that
Yeah,
was
हमेशा
whatever
वो
people think.
रोटी सब्जी जब because I'm from UK, when I went to India, we met. रोटी सब्जी जब मैं खाऊंगी तो वो ऐसे रोटी डाल के उस पर सब्जी डाल के जैसे मैं खाने जाऊंगी पीछे से आके वो एक चिली घुसा देंगे अंदर
And one
तांग करती है.
one I still feel I did very wrong, and I've like literally asked God how many times I asked forgiveness. One time I was very naughty, and very naughty at the time. I shouldn't have done it, but I was very young also at the time. I made, this one raw egg, just what do you call that?
क्या raw है क्या होता है?
Raw egg ko, I mean, I just made somebody who had come from a village, poor boy. He didn't know anything and just said, "Ki, this is custard."
ऐसी वाली naughty.
I made him until date. I don't know how many times I must have asked forgiveness from God, and probably I called him up one day and said, "I'm so sorry. I was." But this kind of a stuff.
छोटी मोटी नोटी चीजें करनी चाहिए लाइफ में. इट इज वेरी
Not more
गुड.
than that.
मजा आता है लाइफ जीने में भी. अभी तो बाहर इतना वो चला है कि आई थिंक लॉट ऑफ pranks and good little things should be done, so we can always reminisce, look back, laugh is something very important. Do you feel that whoever you meet in this world, you meet for a reason? Anybody you come across?
Yeah, of course. Everything's preordained.
It is.
Nothing is a coincidence.
You feel so? You're very very spiritually and paranormally very strong, and you know things. I feel that you know so much.
Yeah.
Guess what I'm thinking right now?
Another question.
Fantastic. So, tell me one thing. Almost a final question, I would say. What message do you feel people need to hear right now, Kats?
Right now, as the things are going on, please, we all have red blood in us. Nobody's green and blue. So it's just a sign of, please, right now we all need to be together as a universal brotherhood, and probably all this fight on religion and everything should now subside.
That is
There
very
should
true.
be now only universal brotherhood, only humanity as humans.
What do
That's
you,
it.
Yeah, that is very true. I
You
hope people
pray to this
understand.
person, fine. It's like in a family. Some children like their mother more, some children like their father more, some people like siblings. Sometimes you just can't stand your sibling. But what does it mean? You should break your home?
No.
It's as it. Think world as your family, please.
Coming to children, now that you have mentioned,
Yeah.
आपने लाइफ में इतना अचीव किया है. आप स्पिरिचुअली इतने
अभी
evolve
करना है
हो.
मुझे और.
करना तो है, अभी बिल्कुल करना है, लेकिन
Just to prove myself.
हर एक इंसान अभी जब when you become a parent, coming to a प्रश्न of children, कि you have achieved so much in your life. You have written a book, it's out there, people are buying your book, people are appreciating your book. You're a healer, you're an author, you're an architect, you've designed so many people's houses, you've designed some fantastic showrooms, everything.
I've done clubs, I've done restaurants.
Yes, absolutely, and they're all doing so well, and the people are really appreciating. And you're so out there. You are a known personality. You have made a name for yourself. All right. Now, how do you now? You've got two wonderful daughters, Tanya and Pankuri. Pankuri they're both wonderfully married, so happily well settled in life.
Yeah, that's it.
Very well settled. Touch wood. पेरेंट्स जब अपना नाम कमा लेते हैं तो बच्चे लोग इतना प्राउड फील करते हैं कि वी आर द चिल्ड्रन ऑफ दिस पेरेंट्स बट how do you feel
also equally
to be
feel
the
as a
mother
parent, of
how
course.
do you feel to be the mother of Pankhuri Pandya who is married to apna Krunal Pandya the fantastic cricketer but more than the cricketer I would like to say a fantastic human being
Yeah.
the most humble boy a genuinely
Very grounded.
caring kind and a very very grounded boy
Family guy.
very loving guy. He's a fantastic, not only a fantastic husband, he is even a more fantastic father to two wonderful, wonderful, beautiful boys. How do you feel कि आज you know a parent when the children grow up how आपने तो अपना नाम बना लिया है now instead of them feeling कि okay we are the children of Anupama Katyayani how do you feel to know that I am the mother of Pankhuri Pandya?
I feel great. But do not forget Agastya also. Agastya also equally comes,
Absolutely, absolutely, no doubt about that.
and Vedant also comes.
Of course, absolutely. But I'm talking about
Yeah.
the name as a mother.
Yeah, of
How
course
do you
I feel
feel?
proud. I feel very proud.
It's a proud
Of course,
feeling
of course
कि
it's a
जब
proud.
पेरेंट्स अपने बच्चों के नाते
Right
जाने
now,
जाते हैं वो
yeah.
भी एक बहुत बड़ी बात है लाइफ में. On that note, I also want to say that today is Krunal Pandya KP's birthday.
Yeah,
So
so
a
we should-
very
yeah,
very
happy
happy
birthday
birthday,
to
a
him, yes, of
wonderful
course.
birthday with lots and lots and lots of love and blessings and all the very best for IPL which is coming up. We want for
Yes.
RCB absolutely. Go out there, do your best, which we know you will. A wonderful, wonderful batsman and a fantastic bowler. You must go and get those wickets, bro.
Yeah, of
And
course.
of
Like
course,
last year was
can't
a
wait to watch you.
last year was a tremendous. I mean, like it
Oh
was
man,
a,
you did it, and you know what? We have
18
actually
years, right? RCB got it.
absolutely, and thanks
Yeah.
to Krunal,
Thanks to
definitely
Krunal.
fantastic. It's a wonderful, wonderful thing, and it is wonderful to have you not as a son-in-law, but as a son into the family.
Of course.
Lovely family, fantastic family, and what we have done today is I have written a
All of them.
wonderful I've written a wonderful anthem especially for Krunal Pandya. We are going to listen to it at the end of this podcast. I'm going to play it and we are going to release it in this podcast. So here goes Krunal. Thank you very much, Anupama.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for this podcast, guys.
Thank you.
Go out there, catch out these books. Being what is it?
Beneath
Beneath the guys, behind the runway.
and Heartbeat Chronicles.
Heartbeat
on the way.
Chronicles is on the way. Amazon.com, Amazon.co.uk, Amazon.in, sorry,
Flipkart.
Flipkart, of
Kindle.
course. Kindle पे भी है. आप लोग लो. Go into www.bookspellspublishing.com पे जाओ. वहाँ से आपको मिलेगी e-books मिलेगी. आप पढ़ो and get to know. Another podcast
should
will be
be-
coming up. We'll get to know a little bit more about Anupama on her spiritual side and on her designing side. So guys, stay tuned. Wish you a very very happy birthday, Kunal. Anything
Yeah,
else you want to
happy
say?
Yeah, the website is going to just take a little time.
Website
Till
is
that
not
time
away,
you
but
get
of
you
course-
can get it on Amazon.
Yes, absolutely. So, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Happy birthday,
Honored.
KP.
On
The way.
for,
And
taking
guys,
up on-
for
this
you
is
all
my
out
first
there,
podcast.
yeah, my first podcast as well. So I hope you guys have enjoyed it. But this is specially written by myself. And KP, this is for you. All the best. Listen to it, guys, and just put it into the comments how you feel. See you. Stay tuned for more. And I'll catch you soon. Radhe. Radhe.
Thank you.
Bengaluru, are you ready? Make some noise for Krunal Pandya! Beat starts rising, crowd jumping, lights flashing. Krunal, Krunal, Krunal Pandya, RCB ka rockstar, superstar Pandya. Boom boom shots और spin का जादू. Krunal Pandya लगा ये सबको बाहू. Hey! Krunal Pandya! Crowd goes crazy, yeah! Yeah, red black jersey flare, swagger flying in the air. Bowlers ka nightmare, Krunal hits without a care. Feeling like electric spark, boundaries glow in the dark. Opponent bowle, oh no, yaar. Krunal is a total rock star. Jump, 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 Bangalore hands in the sky. Krunal doing magic, oh my. Jump, 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 vibes are crazy, energy high. Chinnaswamy ready to fly. Krunal Pandya on the beat, RCB fans on their feet. Left side go, hey. Right side go, hey. Whole crowd say, Krunal, Krunal, Krunal Pandya. Krunal, Krunal, Krunal Pandya. RCB का जादू Krunal Panja laga ye sabko wahoo Rock that shot or spin that ball Krunal conquers one and all RCB ka heartbeat Krunal Panja standing tall Kavuvayu cheering loud Papa Krunal super proud Pankuris love a magical cloud Make Krunal shine in every crowd Hero Papa family man RCB ka gentleman On field beast mode plan Off field pure gold human Everybody hands up Let the stadium erupt DJ drop the beat Here comes the Krunal heat hey, boom 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 Opposition doom Krunal's order fills the room Like a cricket sonic boom Krunal 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 Panja Rock your good beat Krunal 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 Panja 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 Spin Master Shot Blaster Krunal Panja Game Master Spin Master Shot Tape Blaster Krunal Panja Game Master RCB 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 Krunal 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 Panja RCB 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 Krunal 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 Panja
Some stories are written with ink, but some stories are written with survival. The world tried to silence her, break her, erase her. But they forgot one thing. The most dangerous thing in the world is a woman who survived everything. One woman. One fight. One story. The world will never forget.